let's break down the top programming languages in simple terms. Python, a versatile language used for web development, data science, and automation. JavaScript, essential for creating interactive features on websites. Java, popular for building large-scale applications and Android mobile apps. TypeScript, adds static typing to JavaScript for more robust web development. C#, used in game development and enterprise software. Swift, Apple's language for iOS and macOS app development. Golang, known for its simplicity and efficiency, used in cloud computing. Kotlin, preferred for Android app development. Rust, known for its safety and performance, used in system programming. SQL, language for managing and querying databases. Ruby, used in web development, known for its simplicity. PHP, server-side scripting language for dynamic websites. C++, powerful language for game development and system software. C, fundamental language used in operating systems and software. HTML, CSS, not programming languages, but essential for web development. Shell scripting, Bash, used for automating tasks in a command-line environment. Objective-C, Apple's language for older iOS app development. Scala, combines object-oriented and functional programming. Perl, known for its text processing capabilities. Lua, lightweight language often used in games. SwiftUI, framework for building user interfaces in Swift. Haskell, known for its strong typing and functional programming. Assembly language, low-level language for hardware programming. Dart, used in mobile, desktop, and web applications. R, statistical language for data analysis. MATLAB, used in scientific computing and engineering. Groovy, dynamic language for the Java virtual machine. Perl 6, modern version of Perl with improved features. Julia, high-performance language for scientific computing. Clojure, Lisp dialect emphasizing functional programming. COBOL, used in legacy systems, especially in finance. Ada, known for safety features, used in critical systems. PL/SQL, extension of SQL for Oracle databases. Erlang, used in fault-tolerant, distributed systems. ActionScript, used for interactive content and applications. Visual Basic, easy-to-learn language for Windows development. Fortran, oldest high-level language, used in scientific applications. TCL, scripting language for embedded systems. Verilog, used in digital circuit design. ABAP, used for programming SAP applications. Scheme, Lisp dialect known for simplicity. D, systems programming language with safety features. Objective-C++, mixes Objective-C and C++ features. Prolog, logic programming language. Lisp, family of languages used in AI. Cool, educational language for teaching programming. Scratch, visual language for beginners. LabVIEW, graphical language for data acquisition. F#, functional language for .NET platform. APL, concise array language. Elixir, functional language for building scalable and maintainable applications. Ada, known for safety features, used in critical systems. Dylan, general-purpose language emphasizing simplicity and expressiveness. Erlang, known for its fault tolerance and concurrency-oriented programming. Fourth, stack-based language emphasizing simplicity and efficiency. J, array programming language emphasizing conciseness and mathematical notation. K, array programming language emphasizing simplicity and speed. Mercury, logic programming language emphasizing declarative and functional programming. OCaml, functional programming language emphasizing type safety and performance. PLI, General Purpose Programming Language emphasizing versatility and extensibility. PostScript, Page Description Language used in printing and graphics. PowerShell, Command Line Shell and Scripting Language for System Administration. REXX, Scripting Language emphasizing simplicity and readability. RPG, Business-Oriented Language used in IBM mainframe systems. SAS, Statistical Analysis Language used in data management and reporting. Scratch, Visual Programming Language designed for educational purposes. Smalltalk, Object-Oriented Language known for its simplicity and dynamic typing. Solidity, Smart Contract Language used in blockchain development. Spark, Language emphasizing safety and security, used in critical systems. Turing, Educational Language designed for teaching programming concepts. Visual Basic.NET, Object-Oriented Language for Windows development. ABAP, used for programming SAP applications. AutoHotkey, Scripting Language for automating tasks in Windows. AWK, Text Processing Language for pattern scanning and processing. Batch Scripting Language for automating tasks in Windows. Ceylon, Modern Language for the Java Virtual Machine, emphasizing readability and expressiveness. Chapel, Parallel Programming Language emphasizing productivity and performance. Chuck, Concurrent Programming Language for real-time audio synthesis. Silk, Multithreaded Programming Language emphasizing simplicity and performance. Datalog, Logic Programming Language used in database queries and rules. IFL, Object-Oriented Language emphasizing software design by contract. Elm, Functional Language for building web applications. Erlang, Concurrent Programming Language emphasizing fault tolerance and scalability. Phantom, Cross-Platform Language for building web and desktop applications. Fish, Scripting Language for the fish shell. Flask, Web Framework for building Python-based web applications. Gosu, General Purpose Programming Language for the Java Virtual Machine. GW Basic, Old version of Basic for Windows. HAX, Cross-Platform Language for building web and mobile applications. Icon, General Purpose Language emphasizing simplicity and readability. IO, Prototype-based programming language emphasizing simplicity and expressiveness. Jupyter Notebook, interactive computing environment for creating and sharing documents. KDB+, database language emphasizing high performance and scalability. Kotlin, general purpose language for the Java virtual machine. Logo, educational language emphasizing graphics and turtle graphics. Maple, mathematical programming language emphasizing symbolic computation. MQL4, scripting language for automated trading in MetaTrader 4. NEML, general-purpose language emphasizing extensibility and metaprogramming. NIM, systems programming language emphasizing safety and efficiency. These languages serve various purposes and are used in different domains, from web development to scientific computing and system programming. Learning any of them can open up exciting opportunities in the field of computer science and IT.